Hey there in Primary 6. Now time for English first term, Unit 2. At the restaurant, Lesson 3 and 4. In this lesson you'll know the countable and uncountable nouns. Let's go now. Let's know together the different kinds of food and how to change the uncountable food and drinks into countable nouns using some containers. For example, water, a bottle of water. If we talk about one, a bottle of water. But if you have more than one, you say bottles of water. Can you say I have one water? 2 waters? No, of course not. 2 bottles of water, 3 bottles of water. You can't count water itself. So, for many questions about the amount of water, you use how much water did you have? But when you ask about the bottles of water, you ask how many bottles of water did you have? Here you can count the bottles by answering I had bottles of water. Lemonade is uncountable too, like water. So, you can put it in containers like a can. I can count here the cans, not lemonade. A can of lemonade, 2 cans of lemonade, 3 cans of lemonade. So you can make 2 questions here, one about the number of cans, the second about the amount of lemonade. How much lemonade did you have? When you ask about the number of cans, how many cans of lemonade did you have? The answer is
I had 3 cans of lemonade.
a slice of roast turkey. If there are more than one, you say slices of roast turkey. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, and so on. Slices of roast turkey. Roast turkey is uncountable. So, how much roast turkey did you have? When you ask about the number of slices, how many slices of roast turkey did you have? The answer is
I had 4 slices of roast turkey.
a bowl of a chicken soup. Bowls of a chicken soup. 1, 2, 3 bowls of chicken soup. The chicken soup is uncountable, so how much chicken soup did you have? When you ask about the bowls, they are countable, so how many bowls of chicken soup did you have? The answer is
I had 2 bowls of chicken soup.
a glass of orange juice. Glasses of orange juice. Here we count the glasses, not the orange juice. So, when we ask about the orange juice itself, how much orange juice did you have? But the glasses, how many glasses of orange juice did you have? The answer is
I had 3 glasses of orange juice.
you can't count the apple pie. So, a piece of apple pie, 2 pieces of apple pie, 3 pieces. The apple pie is uncountable, so how much apple pie did you have? And to count it, we cut it into pieces, so how many pieces of apple pie did you have? The answer is
I had 4 pieces of apple pie.
a cup of coffee, 2 cups of coffee, 3 cups of coffee. I can count here the cups, not coffee. When you ask about the coffee itself, you ask, how much coffee did you have? But about the cups, how many cups of coffee did you have? Your answer?
I had a cup of coffee.
Loaves of bread is uncountable, so you say a loaf of bread, loaves of bread. 1 loaf, but more than 1 loaves of bread. To make a question about the bread itself, how much bread did you have? But when you count the loaves, how many loaves of bread did you have? The answer is
I had a loaf of bread.
now we're ready for the exercise time. Prepare yourself for the practice time. Here we go. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. How space slices of turkey did you have? How much? How old? How many? How long?
How many?
Good. How many? Why? Because the slices counts for now. 2. I had 1 space of bread, 1 cup of bread, 1 slice of bread, 1 bottle of bread, or 1 loaf of bread.
1 loaf of bread.
3. How spaced lemonade did Ali have? How much? How often? How many? How old?
How much lemonade?
Question number 4. How much tea did you, having, has, had, have?
How much tea did you have?
The last one. I want a space apple pie. A cup of apple pie, a slice of apple pie, a piece of apple pie, or a can of apple pie.
A piece of apple pie.
Thanks a million for keeping watching, my dear students. Wait for more videos, Primary 6. I hope you get benefit. Goodbye.